Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha and today we're doing another unboxing, unopening type video. This being my first year on YouTube, I honestly got the opportunity to participate in a lot of these swaps and I truly had a good time doing all of them. I got to meet a lot of YouTubers that I hadn't already been interacting with. I got to make a bunch of new friends and I honestly had a really good time. Today I am participating in a Christmas card swap that was started by Ashley over at Ashley's Grotto. And I have my little sleigh here with all of my Christmas cards from my Disney friends. And we're gonna open them today and look at them. So PS, isn't this cute? I got this from the dollar store and I was gonna gift it to somebody and I decided, no, it's for me. And I'll put my Christmas cards in it this year. So let's get started. And I will shuffle around in my sleigh and we'll open this one. And this is from Micah over at the Disney Time Podcast. Let's take a moment to appreciate not the Hallmark seal, but the Disney seal with the castle. Oh, this is a beautiful card. It says delivering a holiday cheer and it has all the Disney friends on a little train. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It says, Dear Samantha, happy holidays. I just want to commend you on the great job you are doing with your channel. I always love that you really get into character when cooking. It really adds character and personality to the videos. Keep up the great work and I hope you continue giving us amazing Disney cooking content. Sincerely, Micah from Disney Time Podcast. Thank you so much, Micah. This is so nice. I just started watching Micah's channel and he does a really great job. He also has a podcast right there in the name, Disney Time Podcast. So definitely check him out. I'm gonna put all the channels that participated in this Christmas card swap in the description of this video, so you can go kind of check them all out and give them a like and subscribe. This one. And this is from Sarah over at Chronically Disney. And she gave me an Olaf sticker. And I get a lot of Olaf stuff now because Olaf used my name in Frozen 2. And Sarah has beautiful Christmas card with Santa hat on it, just like mine. Cute. And it says, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Samantha, wishing you a merry and bright holiday season. Hey girl, I'm so excited to have recently connected with you. I look forward to getting to know you better. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sarah from Chronically Disney. Thank you so much, Sarah. I so look forward to working together with you again and seeing all your great Disney content. Okay, and this one is from Ashley over at Ashley's Grotto. Ooh, there's lots of glitter on this one. It says Merry Christmas. It's very Hallmark and peaceful and beautiful. And it says, Samantha, I am new to your channel, but I can't wait to watch more videos. I love that the Disney YouTube community brings people together. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy the beauty of the season and may it bring you peace and happiness. Ashley Rutan. Thank you so much, girl. I agree. Like, I have made so many new friends this year. I just started my channel in March or April, and the number of people I've met and connections I've made through Disney YouTube has honestly been awesome. I just finished a live stream with a bunch of people that did another swap I did with Matt from Teacup for One, and it was really fun to like actually live chat with these people, and you know, there's still a person behind a screen, but see them face to face in a screen. I don't know if that makes sense. But that's how I felt about it, and it was really cool. So thank you, Ashley. Okay. Oh, this is from Amanda and Mike at the Hyde Disney. And they put so many stickers on their envelope. Very cute. I'm gonna save this one because it's cute. And we'll stick it right there. Oh, there's a little hedgehog in a coffee cup. It's so cute. Look at the little baby. It says, warm holiday wishes to you and yours. I'm gonna have feelings reading this one. Amanda and I have become friends on YouTube and on Facebook, and I really like her. She's a good egg. I'm gonna have feelings. It says, Samantha, where to begin? I am so thankful that our paths crossed this year through YouTube. Not only because you make some bomb.com recipes, but you are one of the most genuine people I've ever met. Your constant support both on YouTube and off is just so amazing, and I'm proud to call you my friend. I hope your Christmas is as beautiful as you are and that 2021 turns out 300 million times better than 2020. Happy holidays and merry everything. Love, Amanda from the Hyde Disney. Amanda is so awesome. Like, I love her and her little family and their channel, and they have just moved to Florida and they are starting a whole new adventure, and I wish them all the best, and I hope to continue to be your friend, Amanda, in 2021 and all the better years. And next time I go to Disney, we're gonna have to hook up and hang out and drink around the world together, and I'll get to meet the rest of your beautiful family. Thank you so much for this amazing Christmas card. Let's see this one. Oh, so this one is from Tammy at Theme Park Vets, because she sent hers out really early and I opened it before I realized, oh no, it's part of the Christmas card swap. But it has Beauty and the Beast from Belle's Enchanted Christmas on it. It says, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from Theme Park Vets. So Tammy at Theme Park Vets was actually my Secret Santa this year in one of the other swaps that I did. And she does so many like awesome videos, and she does a lot of handmade crafts. She made me a Banshee Flight scented candle. She made me a Haunted Mansion and Little Mermaid ornament, or I'm sorry, not ornament, magnet for my fridge. She's awesome. So definitely you'll have to check her channel out for sure. Okay. This one is from Lyssa at Lyssa J Cosplay. And she also went with the Olaf Frozen theme. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. Lyssa, did you make these? I think you did. You have to let me know in the comments if you made these by hand, because it's beautiful. It says, wishing you and your family a safe and happy holiday season this year. Lyssa J. Thank you so much. And Lyssa J, you totally have Disney princess like autograph handwriting. So I see that you do a lot of princess cosplays. I hope that you're signing for kids because it looks awesome. Just saying. Let's do, okay. This one is from Nikki Spencer over at the Disney Darling. And Nikki gave me a bunch of Star Wars stickers on the back of her envelope. And I was Nikki's Secret Santa this year in another swap that we did. And I forgot to tell her that it was me. I commented on her video and let her know. Hopefully she figured it out. Otherwise, Nikki, it was me. I was your Secret Santa. I sent you those Hocus Pocus Funko Pops. I hope you like them. Oh, and Nikki's card is cute and has a little pupper and some cardinals and a Christmas tree. And it says, wishing you joy in the coming year. Dear Dish Upon a Star, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love that you always post good and yummy recipes. Love, Nikki, the Disney Darling. Thank you so much, Nikki. Nikki is actually in the parks right now, and it looks like she's having a very magical, merry time celebrating the holidays at Walt Disney World this year. So definitely go check her out. She does a lot of travel vlogs. Okay, this one is from April and Emma over at Thrifty Nerdy Mom. So I was April's Secret Santa for the Teacup for One exchange, and I am glad I got to know her through that exchange. She has a really cool channel. She is crafty and she does craft on a budget. So like she goes to Dollar Tree and gets all of her craft supplies. And honestly, this year I started going to Dollar Tree for craft supplies and it's super cheap. So if you are a crafty person, definitely need to check out her channel and her videos, and also hit up the Dollar Tree. They have amazing craft supplies. And this is another handmade card, and it says Merry Christmas with a beautiful Mickey on it. And it says, we found you during October and instantly loved your channel. Can't wait to see more in 2021. We want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happiest New Year. We are so excited to call you a new Disney friend. Love, April and Emma. Also, she dots her eyes with Mickey's. Are you joking me? How can you be more precious than that? Thank you so much for this beautiful card, April and Emma. This card is from Megan over at Life of Meg, and she gave me a Woody sticker. And this is pretty. It's got a nice little Christmas tree with all sorts of Christmas phrases and quotes on there. And it says, wishing for a holiday that's merry and bright. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Meg from Life of Meg. Thank you, Life of Meg. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday as well. Okay, two more. Let's go with this one from Nina of Wrestling with Disney. And she also gave me a Toy Story sticker, and this one's like puffy and 3D. Woo! Ooh, and it's a Disney card. Oh, it's so cute! Oh, that's really cute! And it says, Dear Samantha, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas! May 2021 be a great year for you and your channel. XO, Nina, Wrestling with Disney. Thank you very much, Nina. I look forward to watching more of your content and growing with you together in the YouTube community. Thank you so much for this card. Last but certainly not least, I have a card from Taylor of Once Upon a Fremin. And she gave me little Pluto puppy stickers, little puppy. And then Pluto is right there. And it's another Disney card. Oh, and it's a glitter Mickey ornament. It's so cute. It says, Samantha, but I don't even know a Samantha. Couldn't pass up the Frozen reference. So awesome meeting you through the card swap. I love your channel. It's so creative and your food looks so tasty. Merry Christmas. Wishing you the happiest and merriest of holiday seasons. Love your new friend, Taylor, Once Upon a Fremin. Then it says turn over. And it says, joke time. Who is Thor's favorite rapper? MC Hammer. That is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much, Taylor. And thank you to all the channels who participated in this amazing Christmas card swap. Again, I'll have them linked down below. So go check them all out and see what card I sent everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me know in the comments, did you send out Christmas cards this year? And if you did, were they homemade or did you buy them from the store? Thank you so much, everyone. Have a magical day and a happy holiday season.